G'day guys, Greg here. Now it's fish and chip review time once again, and here I am at Mount Warren Park here in Brisbane, well, out of Brisbane. And well, I was at Brodie's, remember, a few weeks ago, and then I saw next door was a fish and chip shop, the full-on takeaway. Now this place has got some amazing looking burgers, but they've also got a pretty good fish and chips. It's got a 4.4 Google star rating, so how about we whip on in and grab a full-on takeaway of fish and chips and see what it's like. Let's do it. Alright, well, here we go, the full-on takeaway fish and chips. It cost $10.50 and it's a cod and chips too. You ripper. Anyway, let's suss it out. It's got a good weight about it. Whoa, mate! Have a look at that! Woo-wee! Look at the size of this piece of cod. Mate, it's huge. Okay, how about we start off with some of these chips. They're the short, stubby type, and I asked for chicken salt and they had it. Let's go. Not bad. I can sort of taste the oil in it. And well, at least they're cooked all the way through, and well, they taste pretty nice. Oh, that one was really good. Well, let's suss out this fish and batter. Well, it's a huge piece of fish, but it feels a bit soggy. That batter looks all right though. Oh wow, look at that fish. That's like one of the cleanest bits of fish I think I've ever seen. It's so white. Wow. That looks really great. It's flaking away really nicely too. Wow. That looks good. So I wonder what this batter's like. Oh, yum. It was really like doughy, but crunchy at the same time. The flavour of it's really nice, and man, it tastes really great. And the fish? Nice, really nice cod flavour. Tasted great. Now the batter is kind of soft and the piece of fish is so big. The piece of fish is quite thin actually, so it's really hard to pick up. But I'll try some together. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I needed. Together, the fish with the batter is really good. Man, that is tasty. Now it came with some lemon, so let's do the lemon test. Oh, that was good. It's actually sort of a little bit greasy, and well, that lemon sort of cuts through that grease, and oh, wow. It didn't need the lemon, but it tastes pretty good with it. Wow. I just want to keep eating it. That fish is really juicy too. Wow. So like I said, the full-on takeaway's got a 4.4 Google star rating. I think it deserves more than that. The size of this fish was absolutely huge. The chips, well, the chips aren't really my sort of favourite style, but they were still pretty good. They were crunchy and had plenty of potato taste about them. The batter on this was really great. I really loved it. And the fish inside, well, it was just tasty and juicy and moist and really clean and fresh looking. Oh, mate, all round it was a great feed. So for my Grego star rating, I think this fish and chips deserves a 9.6 out of 10, which is 4.8 Grego stars. This is one of the better fish and chips I've had in a very long time. It tastes really great. The value for money is phenomenal, and well, it's just a really nice fish and chips. I'm so glad I found this place, because I tell you what, if I lived around here, I'd be there all the time. And it is quite popular. The amount of people that were going through that shop is quite a lot. So what's my recommendation, mate? If you're around the Beenleigh Mount Warren Park area of Brisbane, whip on in to Full On Takeaway too. They got some awesome looking burgers there, as well as a good fish and chips. I'm going to come back here and try another one of their burgers one day, because they got a really cheap $3.90 schnitzel burger that has got my name written all over it. If you like these fish and chips reviews, remember, show us some thumb and love. Leave a comment down below to feed the algorithm, mate. It loves feeding on comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I do a fish and chip review. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger